Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting devices aligned. Make sure the Chromecast is powered and visible on your TV, and that your phone and laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, open Google Home on your phone to discover the Chromecast and allow casting permissions. This links the device. On your laptop, launch Chrome and sign into the same Google account so both endpoints can communicate. These steps create the network and account foundation needed to cast from phone to laptop smoothly. Now you'll begin the casting flow from your phone. Open the app or media you want to share and tap the cast icon. Select your Chromecast device visible in Google Home. This pairs the phone's stream to the Chromecast. To route media through your laptop instead of a TV, make sure Chrome on your laptop has cast enabled and appears as a destination. Choose your computer's name. This bridging step uses the Chrome receiver so your laptop can display or capture the Chromecast stream. Finish by verifying audio and video appear correctly on your laptop and control playback from Chrome's cast menu. You can stop casting there when done. If the stream fails or lags, restart the router, phone, and Chromecast in that order to refresh network leases, and make sure both devices are on 5 GHz Wi-Fi for lower interference. As a key troubleshooting tip, if wireless issues persist, connect the Chromecast via Ethernet adapter or move devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.